So to determine the formula for an exponential function, it's helpful to remember what the basic exponential function looks like. And that is f of x is equal to a times b raised to the x. In this form, the initial value is represented by a, and the base of the exponential equation is represented by b. Now another name for the initial value is the y-intercept. So if we can find the y-intercept of this graph, we know what our value is for a. And in this case, we have a y-intercept equal to 4. We can rewrite our equation with that information in it. So we'll end up with f of x is equal to 4, again that y-intercept, times b raised to the x. Now, to figure out b, we can remember that f of x when we're graphing actually stands in for the y value, so we can rewrite this as y equals 4 times b to the x, and then find a point on the graph, and we can plug in the x and y values of that point. So we know we have 1 and 8, with x being the 1 and 8 being the y value, so we can substitute 8 in for y, and say that's equal to 4 times b raised to the 1. We divide both sides of that equation by 4 once we've cleaned it up. We're going to end up with b is equal to 2. And that is the final piece of our puzzle. So our final answer, our equation, is going to look like f of x equals 4 times 2 raised to the x.